Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Zainab Kodingwali, currently a proud level 1 batch 3 student at Rahman School Online Academy. So today I'm going to review the TEDx talk. The most important leadership quality is patience by Gabe D. John. So this is my TEDx talk review number 24. And in this inspiring and thought-provoking TEDx talk, Gabe D. Jong explains why patience is one of the most important qualities of successful leadership. So the main purpose of this TEDx talk is to teach people that strong leadership is not only about intelligence, power, or decision making, but also about staying calm, understanding others, and allowing growth and progress to happen naturally over time. So the speaker explains that many leaders today want instant results and quick success. However, real leadership requires patience because people, teams, relationships, and organizations need time to grow and improve. So Gabe D. John believes impatient leadership often causes stress, poor decision, and unhealthy environments, while patients, patient leaders build trust, confidence, and long-term success. So one of the the strongest message in this TEDx talk is that a patient leader can listen carefully, understand people's emotions, and support learning instead of becoming frustrated by mistakes. So according to the speaker, leadership is about thus improving step by step instead of expecting perfection immediately. So the TEDx talk also highlights the importance of emotional intelligence in leadership. So Gabe D. Jong explains that patient leaders remain calm during challenges, communicate respectfully, and create positive relationships within teams and organizations. So he believes patience allows leaders to make wiser decisions and handle pressure more effectively. So another important lesson from the TEDx talk is that success takes time, and the speaker explains that meaningful achievements, strong relationships, and personal growth cannot happen overnight. So he encourages people to trust the process, remain consistent, and continue working patiently toward their goals. So the TEDx talk teaches that patience is one of the most important leadership qualities because it helps people build trust, make better decisions, and improve relationships and long-term success. So the speaker also emphasizes that patient leaders inspire confidence and loyalty because they support people during difficult times instead of reacting negatively. And he encourages students and young people to develop patience not only in leadership but also in learning and communication and personal growth. So this TEDx talk is especially useful for students because it teaches important lessons about leadership, emotional intelligence, teamwork, and personal development. So it motivates young people to become calm, understanding, and more responsible future leaders. So in my opinion, this TEDx talk is very educational, motivational, and inspiring for students and young people. So I learned that patience is not weakness but a powerful quality that helps people become better leaders and better human beings. I really liked how Gabe D. Jong explained the connection between patience, leadership, and emotional intelligence in a simple and understandable way. So after watching this TEDx talk, I realized that meaningful success and strong leadership requires time, understanding, and consistent efforts. So this TEDx talk inspired me to become more patient, supportive, and emotionally intelligent in my communication and daily life. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you like it. Until then, take care of yourself. Until then, Allah Hafiz everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video.